Come with me couponing at CVS. These deals are valid from $8.23 to $8.29. I am scoring $70 worth of products for just $5.43. That is the net cost. I am starting off with $10 in extra care bucks, and I am going to be rolling over extra care bucks in every transaction. So if you all have extra care bucks, make sure to adjust your price according to what you already have. If you're starting with no extra care bucks, make sure you adjust your price according to what you don't have. So let's go ahead and see everything that I'm about to score for super cheap. For my first transaction, I'm going to do the spend 30, save $10 on beauty care items. So I'm going to pick up this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Face Lotion. It's priced at $12.99. And when I spend $25 on Aveeno facial care products, I am going to get $10 in extra bucks. And we have a $5 off coupon that you need to click. In that same transaction, I'm going to also pick up another Aveeno product because I do need to get to $25 in order to get that $10 in extra care bucks. So we're going to pick up this cleanser. It is priced at $13.49, and I have a $3 coupon attaching. Next, I'm going to pick up some of the soft soap. They are on sale for $2.99, and they're part of that same promotion. We're going to pick up 2 of them and click this $2 off coupon. Here's everything that I have in my cart. My total is $31.96. Once all of my coupons are clipped, I'm only paying $11.96. Now, I do have $10 in extra care bucks from my transactions last week, so I am going to roll that over into this transaction. That way, I'm only paying about $1.96. If you're not starting with any extra care bucks, your total will be about $11.96 out of pocket.
Scanning, please type.
So like I said, I already had $10 in extra care bucks, so I am going to use that.
The continue button if finished.
For my second transaction, I'm going to do the back to routine deal that when you spend $30, you're going to get $10 in extra care bucks. We are going to look at the Gain Plus. Make sure it's the Plus because we have a $4 coupon. It is on sale for $12.99, so let's pick up one of these. Next, you are going to pick up the Tide Pods. We are going to pick up the ones that are priced at $12.99, and we have a $3 off coupon. In that same transaction, I'm also going to include the Dawn Platinum Plus Easy Squeeze. It is on sale for $5.99, and I have a $2 off coupon. My subtotal is $31.97. I have a $4 coupon on my Gain, a $2 coupon on the Dawn, and then a $3 coupon on the Tide. My total out of pocket will be $22.97. I am going to get that $10 back in extra care bucks. It will make my final cost just $12.97. However, for my transaction, you guys, I am going to use this $10 in extra care bucks that I did get from my previous transaction, and I'm rolling it over to cover this.
Scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished. $14.89. Please select your payment method.
Did receive my $10 in extra care bucks for that transaction. I'm able to roll this over into another transaction, but that is it for today. I hope this video helped, and let me know in the comments if you score.